coming into the night. You can see Sebastian Migne has huddled them up here. You can see some phones out, just double checking the score. Again, we reiterate that the game is not over yet between Costa Rica and Honduras. But now it is! It's over!